My name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Be Aware, Be Safe, Unit 10, Grade 4, Part 5, based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Oral communication, learning the sounds, weak forms of and, of, or and, but. Read and say the given weak forms of and, of, or, and, but in these phrases and or sentences. Read me. Weak forms are syllable sounds that become unstressed in speech. For example, of, and, or, but. Day and night. The chair is made of wood. The food is good, but the service is bad. Are you ready or not? Black and white. Learning to speak. Read and practice the given dialogue. Teacher: Haris, come in front and read the lesson. Jawad: Sir, can I come first? Teacher: No, you have to wait for your turn. Jawad: Okay, sir. Reading and critical thinking. Reading comprehension. Answer these questions. Who gave a doll to Sarah? A stranger gave a doll to Sarah. Why is it wrong to be friendly with strangers? We should not be friendly with strangers because they may harm us. Should we take things from strangers or not? Write it in your own words. No, we should not take things from strangers. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.